Question: the depression in freezing point of water observed for the same amount of acetic acid, trichloroacetic acid and trifluoroacetic acid increases in the order given above. Explain briefly. Question: it is said depression in freezing point increases in the order for the same amount of acetic acid, trichloroacetic acid and trifluoroacetic acid. This is the order in which depression in freezing point increases. Now what is the reason? Acetic acid, when it dissociates, it forms CH3COO minus ion and H plus ion. Trichloroacetic acid, when dissociated, forms CCl3COO minus ion and H plus ion, and trifluoroacetic acid, when dissociated, forms CF3COO minus ion and H plus ion. If the stability of the anions formed is high, then these acids tend to remain in the dissociated form. Now in case of acetic acid, this is the structure of the acetate ion formed, and for trichloroacetic acid, this is the structure of the anion formed, and for trifluoroacetic acid, this is the structure of the anion formed. Now fluorine is more electronegative than chlorine, and hydrogen does not show any electronegativity. Fluorine shows minus I effect, because of which this negative ion formed is stabilized due to the minus I effect of fluorine. Chlorine also shows minus I effect, because of which this trichloroacetate anion which is formed is stabilized. Now electron withdrawing groups stabilize the negative ions. So due to the minus I effect, these anions are stabilized, while no minus I effect is shown in acetate ion. So acetate ion is the least stable ion, because of which acetate ion will have a tendency to combine with H plus ion and give undissociated acetic acid, while trichloroacetic acid and trifluoroacetic acid, they remain in dissociated form. The number of particles for undissociated acid is 1, but when the acid dissociates, the number of particles become 2. So when the acids undergo dissociation, the number of particles increase. Now delta TF is colligative property, which is directly proportional to the number of particles. So CF3COOH tends to remain in dissociated form, so number of particles increases. CCl3COH tends to remain in dissociated form, so the number of particles increases. So with increase in number of particles, delta TF value also increases, and the tendency of CH3COOH to remain in dissociated form is less, so its delta TF value is also less. So moving from CH3COOH to CCl3COOH and from CCl3 to CF3COOH, the tendency to remain in dissociated form increases in this direction, because of which the number of particles increase in this direction. Delta TF, which is a colligative property and depends upon the number of particles, increases in this direction.